Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about fix that vehicle or trade it in. What are you going to do with it? To be honest with you, most vehicle repairs, if a vehicle's serviced properly, you can well extend the life out of the vehicle. We strongly recommend you drive your vehicle 200,000 miles or more. If you service it properly, it'll make it. And the reason we're kind of talking about this is if you were to drive every vehicle you purchase new over 200,000 miles, over your lifetime, you would save over $250,000 when it comes to versus buying a new vehicle every 3 to 5 years. So let's make sure and make sense of this. What you need to do is sit down and pencil it out when you come across an expensive repair on the vehicle. Make a determination. How many months of car payments does that relate to? What's the cost the insurance will go up if you go ahead and buy a new vehicle versus the vehicle you have now? Plus maintenance and repairs. Because even with new vehicles, you still need items such as brakes, pads, tires, wearable items such as that. So when trying to make that determination, it's good to have a cool head, get out your pad of paper and pencil, figure out the numbers, and make a determination, as you can save a lot of money over a lifetime with proper repair. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.